How to hide or unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide or unhide notes on Facebook Messenger easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And on the home screen, you'll see the notes from Facebook friends at the top. Now simply find the note that you want to hide and simply long press on it. And after that, a menu will appear with several options. From that option, simply tap on Hide Note. And after tapping on that, this will hide the user notes and they won't appear in the suggested contact anymore. The person won't be notified that they have been hidden. And once you have hidden the note, to unhide the notes on Facebook Messenger, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you will be prompted to the menu section. And once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the option labeled as Settings. And once you are in the Settings section, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now here at the top of the page, you'll see the hidden contacts. So simply tap on that. And in this section, you'll see the list of contacts that you have hidden. And to unhide the note, you need to simply tap on the unhide button beside the name and it will be visible again. And that's it. Now you know how to hide or unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.